So today we are going to learn about what is the difference between extracellular and intracellular fluid. So the extracellular fluid contains large amount of sodium chloride, bicarbonate ions plus nutrients for the cell. Sodium chloride, bicarbonates, oxygen, glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids. So extracellular fluid contain large amount of sodium chloride, bicarbonate plus nutrients of the cell such as oxygen, glucose, amino acids and fatty acids. So we have learned about what are the things that are present in, what are the nutrients, what are the contents of the extracellular fluid. It also contains carbon dioxide that is being transported from the cells to the lungs to be excreted, plus the cellular waste products that are being transported to the kidneys for excretion. इसके अंदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी होती है, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ये दोनों एक्स्ट्रासेलुलर फ्लूइड के अंदर प्रेजेंट होती हैं. The next is intracellular fluid. Intracellular fluid contains large amount of potassium, magnesium, phosphate instead of sodium and chlorides found in extracellular fluid. So intracellular fluid contains magnesium, potassium and phosphate. Extracellular fluid contains sodium, chloride, oxygen, glucose and carbon dioxide. And intracellular fluid contain magnesium, potassium. These are very important. In next we will relate these ions that are present in extracellular fluid and intracellular fluids. The next thing is, most of the fluid is inside the cell and is called intracellular fluid, and about 1/3 is in the spaces. 1/3 is in the spaces and is called extracellular fluid. The extracellular fluid is in constant motion throughout the body and is transported rapidly in the circulating blood and the mixed between blood and tissue fluid by diffusion through the capillary wall. एक्स्ट्रासेलुलर फ्लूइड हर टाइम एक कांस्टेंट मोशन में होता है थ्रू आउट द बॉडी, और इन द एक्स्ट्रासेलुलर फ्लूइड द आयंस एंड द न्यूट्रिएंट्स नीडेड बाय द सेल टू मेंटेन लाइफ. Thus all cells live in essentially the same environment, the extracellular fluid. For this reason extracellular fluid is also called the internal environment of the body. So what we have learned that extracellular fluid contains sodium, chloride, glucose, oxygen and carbon dioxide. And intracellular mainly contain potassium, magnesium and phosphate. So this is all about extracellular and intracellular fluid.